President Ramnath Kovind is going to be inaugurating the world's biggest cricket stadium today in Ahmedabad. The Motera Stadium is going to be hosting the third test between India and England. The newly built stadium has a capacity of 110,000.
Motera Stadium is buzzing with excitement. The third test between India and England will be the first international fixture to be hosted by the largest cricket stadium. Players cannot wait to take the field and be a part of history.
It's an amazing feeling. It's a huge stadium, and we all are looking forward for playing our first pink ball test match at Motera, and it's an amazing ground. Big dressing room, so yeah, it's quite spacious, and we are enjoying the facilities out here.
The all-important tie between the two sides will be a day and night fixture. Motera Stadium has a seating capacity of 110,000, and for the day-night test, 50% crowd is allowed, which means 55,000 fans will be cheering for Team India. The Motera Stadium now has surpassed the capacity of Melbourne Cricket Ground, which could house 1 lakh people, while Eden Garden, which could accommodate 1 lakh people some years ago, has a capacity for 68,000.
हमारे लिए काफ़ी गर्व की बात है कि सबसे ज़्यादा कैपेसिटी वाला स्टेडियम दुनिया में इंडिया में है, और हम पहला टेस्ट मैच खेलने वाले हैं उस पर। और एटमॉस्फेयर जब लोग आएंगे, स्टेडियम भरेंगे, वो एक्सपीरियंस उसके बाद ही आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं। लेकिन जो हमने देखा है अभी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाइज और जो फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइडेड हैं, जैसा स्टेडियम बनाया गया है, जैसे एरियाज डेजिग्नेटेड हैं, कमाल का स्टेडियम बना है।
Indian cricketers are in awe of the newly built stadium and the training facilities at the venue.
Surreal actually to be in the world largest stadium, where we actually can't wait to have the fans around and see the atmosphere, because it will be tremendous, and I think all the boys loved it. Fantastic, to be honest. I've not seen a gym connected to my dressing room. For the first time, I think I've seen a dressing room having a gym connected, which is a fantastic thing. And I can't thank enough to GCA and all the people who have worked really hard to make the stadium.
The 4-match series is locked at 1-1, and it is fitting that Motera will make its debut in international arena with this all-important tie under the lights. Sports Bureau, India Today.
Boria Majumdar and Gopi Manyar are both joining us on the story. First, I want to take this to Boria. Boria, the only word that comes to mind when you see these visuals of Motera Stadium is just wow. The world's largest. I mean, there must be palpable amount of excitement in the cricket fraternity on the back of this.
Absolutely. And when 55,000 people make it there, Chaiti, I mean, that is what you want to see. You want fans, obviously with proper COVID protocols in place. You want people supporting your home team, and that pink cherry under lights. Yes, it will be difficult for the players, but as far as we are concerned, it will be some spectacle that we will enjoy. I mean, pink test inevitably brings a spectacle, and this stadium adds to that wow factor that you just said. Maybe not gold biryani, but very close to that, if not better, if India wins this one.
This one is definitely better than the gold biryani I was talking about, Boria. I mean, it's something that is going to be historical as well for India. I mean, India to have the biggest stadium in the world, that too in the world of cricket, it's something, isn't it, Boria?
See, that's important. I mean, in a way, it tells you the sort of the story of world cricket, that we are the financial nerve center. We dominate the game. We provide the purse. We have the IPL. We have the best team. We have been the world's #1 team for a while. We boast the world's best cricketer in Virat Kohli. So why not we have the world's largest stadium? For a while, it was Eden Gardens. Now it's the Motera. We have the best facilities. It's only natural. India is the nerve center of the world game, and it is only natural that we have this stadium here. I can't wait for the game to begin. I can't wait for India to win this one, make it 2-1, and put one step forward for that World Test Championship. I was speaking to the players. I've spoken to the number of these guys over the last few days, to the coaching staff, and each one of them tell me the size and the stadium is humongous. Gopi will tell us more. But apparently, they're finding it difficult. Some of them were trying to take photos. They're finding it difficult to fit it in one frame. It's that big. So they were telling me the shiny seats, the lights, and this has lights like the Middle East Stadium. So these are different kind of lights than the floodlights you see in many stadiums in India. So overall, the spectacle will be something when it all unfolds in 2 hours from now.
What a world-class facility right here in India, and Boria, that makes the two of us. I can't wait either for India to win in this fantastic, majestical stadium right there. Gopi is also with us. Gopi, show us the stadium. Tell us a little more about the size, the features, and how excited the players must even be. I can only imagine about having the world's largest stadium in India.
बिल्कुल, मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये विश्व का सबसे बड़ा क्रिकेट स्टेडियम है। साथ ही इसके अंदर जो फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड की जा रही है वो भी देश में शायद ही ऐसे किसी स्टेडियम में होगी। अगर बात की जाए प्रैक्टिस मैच की, तो यहाँ पे जहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं क्रिकेटर्स, तो वहाँ पे भी सेम पिच बनाई गई है। रेड सॉइल एंड ब्लैक सॉइल से ये पूरी पिच बनाई गई है, ताकि जब खिलाड़ी ग्राउंड के अंदर जाए तो जिस पिच पे वो प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है उसी पिच का वो फील ले पाए। साथ ही आपको बताती हूँ कि आज जो विश्व के सबसे बड़े क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में 55,000 की इसकी कैपेसिटी है और पिंक बॉल से ये मैच खेला जाएगा, तो सारी एक्साइटमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा है। क्योंकि अगर बात की जाए पिछले 24 फरवरी को, तो नमस्ते ट्रंप कार्यक्रम जो है, राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप यहाँ पे आए थे। ठीक 24 फरवरी को उन्होंने यहीं से नमस्ते ट्रंप कार्यक्रम को एड्रेस किया था। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी
इसके बारे में हमें थोड़ा और भी बताइए, जैसे कि मल्टीपल ड्रेसिंग रूम्स, इंडोर प्रैक्टिस पिचेस, कितने एकर्स पे स्प्रेड है, कितने एथलीट्स को हाउस कर सकते हैं, इंडिविजुअल स्पेस ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, ट्रेनर्स, ये सारे फीचर्स हमारे दर्शकों को बताइए।
बिल्कुल, मैं आपको सबसे पहले तो ये बताती हूँ, ये पूरा जो स्टेडियम आप देख रहे हैं, ये करीब 76 एकर्स एरिया में ये फैला हुआ है। इसकी खास बात अगर की जाए तो ये वाई पिलर पर ये स्टेडियम बनाया हुआ है। वाई पिलर यानी कहीं से भी अगर स्टेडियम के अंदर कोई भी बैठकर मैच देखता है तो उसका व्यू जो है वो ब्लॉक नहीं होता है। साथ ही अगर बात की जाए यहाँ पे ड्रेनेज सिस्टम की, अगर बारिश होती है तो महज 30 मिनट के अंदर ही पूरा जो ग्राउंड है वो क्लीन हो जाएगा और 30 मिनटों के अंदर एक बार फिर मैच शुरू हो जाएगी। अगर डे नाइट मैच की बात की जाए तो एलईडी लाइट्स लगाई गई है स्टेडियम के अंदर, जो कि देश में पहला ऐसा स्टेडियम होगा जो फुल एलईडी लाइट से बना हुआ होगा। यहाँ पे रात के वक्त में जब मैच खेली जाएगी तो पिंक बॉल का जो इफेक्ट है कहीं से भी उसका रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं आएगा, तो ये इसकी खास बात है। साथ ही यहाँ पे ना सिर्फ क्रिकेट बल्कि क्रिकेट एकेडमी भी बनाई गई है, जो प्रैक्टिस के लिए जो पिच है 11 अलग अलग पिच बनाई गई है। और सबसे दिलचस्प, जो लोग यहाँ पे बैठकर मैच का लुत्फ उठाएंगे तो उनको जो कमेंट्री है वो डिजिटल डॉल्बी साउंड में सुनाई देगी, यानी जो क्लैरिटी है, जो उसकी जो क्लैरिटी है वो बेहद सुंदर आएगी। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण, करीब 76 जितने वीआईपी बॉक्सेस बनाए गए हैं। आज खुद राष्ट्रपति रामनाथ कोविंद और गृह मंत्री अमित शाह इसी वीआईपी बॉक्स में बैठकर मैच का लुत्फ उठाएंगे। यहाँ पे 55,000 लोग आएंगे, लेकिन सोशल डिस्टेंस के साथ कोरोना के वक्त में इस पूरे मैच को यहाँ पे खेला जाएगा। बेहद सुंदर होगा जब मैच शुरू होगा, लोग आना शुरू हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि कोरोना के बाद पहली बार इतनी बड़ी तादाद में लोग इस स्टेडियम में आएंगे, लेकिन सोशल डिस्टेंस के साथ।
जी बिल्कुल, गोपी आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए। You know, this is one of its kind, not just in India, but in the entire world, and the largest in the entire world. World's biggest cricket stadium at Motera is in all readiness to host the third test between India and England. The 4-match series is locked at 1-1, and both the teams are going to be keeping an eye on the unassailable lead. England feel the day-night test is their best chance, while the hosts have maintained that the pitch at Motera is going to assist the spinners. Here's a preview to today's crucial fixture.
It's game time at Motera. The largest cricket stadium in the world is set to host the all-important day-night test between India and England. The build-up to the third test too was centred around the 22-yard strip. The hosts are expecting the home advantage to come in play, with the spinners getting a lot more assistance than the usual day-night wicket.
It's much more challenging to play with the new ball, with the pink ball, regardless of what pitch you're playing on. And especially in the evening, if say, you're, as a batting team, you're starting your innings in the evening under lights, then that 1.5 hours is very challenging. Yes, spin will come into play for sure, but I don't think the new ball and the fast bowlers can be ignored. The pink ball does bring them into the game.
Awkwardly played, and it's a sitter.
England, though, feels the pink ball will aid its seamers and they have the advantage.
A lot of energy.
No pressure on the seamers, Zach. Thanks, mate. It potentially does, yeah. We've got a little bit of experience with the pink ball, but this is a second Test match in India, first one in February as well. We just don't know how it's going to behave.
Playing and missing the full length and dragging the batsman into it. And
the last time India batted against a pink ball, they were bowled out for 36, and Virat Kohli's men will be wary of the potential threat which England's pace attack possesses. As far as combination is concerned, Jasprit Bumrah is all set to return to India's 11 in place of Kuldeep Yadav. England too will be bolstered with the return of Johnny Bairstow in their batting lineup. The visitors look all set to unleash the deadly pair of Broad and Anderson to take advantage of the pink ball.
What a catch! What a quite brilliant catch!
Dew will be a factor and will play a role in the final sessions of the day's play. Ishant Sharma, who will be playing his 100th Test, is determined to help India seal the World Test Championship's final berth.
दिमाग में सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है इस टाइम कि हम कैसे ये सीरीज़ जीते और क्वालिफाई हो टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप के लिए, क्योंकि मेरे को जैसे मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि मेरे पास एक ही फॉर्मेट है खेलने के लिए और यही मेरे लिए एक वर्ल्ड कप की तरह है, क्योंकि टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप इज़ लाइक अ वर्ल्ड कप फॉर मी। तो अगर मैं ये टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप के अगर हम फाइनल में पहुंचते हैं और जीतते हैं तो आई थिंक आई हैव अ सेम फीलिंग कि जैसा आप आईसीसी का वर्ल्ड कप जीतते हो या चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीतते हो।
Both India and England are still in the mix and will need a win to keep their WTC hopes alive. So there will be a lot to play as the two sides lock horns at the magnificent Motera. Sports Bureau, India Today.
Breaking news coming in. BCCI chief Sourav Ganguly has tweeted, and I quote, "Will miss being at the stadium today. What an effort it must have been to create this. Pink Test was our dream and it is going to be the second one in India. Hope to see full stands like last time under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah." Unquote. That's a tweet coming in from Sourav Ganguly right there. Boria Majumdar is still with us. Boria, Sourav Ganguly, of course, getting, as I would like to call in colloquial language, FOMO, the fear of missing out. He says he's going to miss being at the stadium, and of course, giving a word out to the effort that would have put in to create this majestic stadium. Have you managed to have a word with him?
Yeah, even about half an hour back. We had a fairly long chat about exactly this. In fact, let me also tell you, he had his tickets. He was ready to go, but the doctors have told him one more week of rest. That's all, because he's raring to go. He's back at work, and we were actually chatting almost every day, and he was like, in Bengali, chalo ekshate jai, let's go together. So that was the plan, but then the doctors told him one more week of rest and then you travel, which is why he'll miss. But as I said, he's as excited as we are. He did the first pink ball test in Calcutta. It was chock-a-block. Today there'll be 55,000 people, which will be with social distance and COVID protocols. Can't wait. And Sourav is as excited as any one of us, and being the BCCI boss. Of course, he was supposed to be there with President Kovind inaugurating the stadium. So he will obviously mentally and spirit be there. But most importantly, we would want India to win, because unless that happens, all of this fanfare, all of this spectacle, we need India to win and book that berth for the World Test Championship final. And can't wait. That pink ball, the aura around the pink ball, the difficulties under lights, the spectacle, all of this makes it the test match to look forward to.
And after a long time, we'll see stands packed to the rafters, perhaps, albeit with social distancing in place for the match?
You know, I was actually, when Gopi was telling us and you were telling me, I was actually trying to think, since COVID, when have I seen 55,000 people in any venue? And I can't remember any sports venue. In Australia, we had about 32,000 at the SCG for the third T20, after which the second COVID wave happened. We had 25 to 50% in Melbourne. We've had crowds in New Zealand, but they are far smaller stadiums. So even half the capacity of the Motera, which is 55,000, so that crowd, 55,000 people in a 110,000 stadium, I think will be the single biggest crowd congregation for sports since the start of COVID. And believe me, when I spoke to the players, the first test was without fans, and they told me, quote unquote, Boryada, it was like a morgue. Second test, the moment crowds came in, you saw India come into its own. You saw the way India performed. India carries the crowd with it. The players get motivated. The players get into the game because of crowds. And 55,000 home support is exactly what Virat Kohli and his boys would need.
Oh, absolutely, Boria. Thanks for joining us. We're going to keep coming back to you for more on this story. And what better time than to have it at the Motera Stadium, a majestic, one of its kind in the world. The entire country is looking forward to this particular match. We'll continue getting you all the updates. Thanks for now, Boria, for joining us. But that is a wrap from me, Chaiti Nurula, on this bulletin. For further news and updates, don't forget to log on to indiatoday.in or download our app.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.